Hello, my name is Tyler Vier. I work for Komatsu Mining. So the WX11 is a factory with a Tier 3, standard with a Tier 3 Cummins 9-liter engine. It also has an optional Euro 5. This is the most productive 10-ton market LHD. It is a full 1-ton capacity more than the competitor, so being 11-ton, it's got more breakout force, best-in-class cabin. So there's multiple things. We've got a lot of technology involved to the operator with the HMI, the human machine interface. We've got ample leg room, tons of room for your legs and feet. So one unique feature for this machine as well is auto climate control. So it's a set and forget. If you want your temperature at 21 degrees Celsius, you set the temperature and it'll automatically adjust the heat and the fan. So that's something that's really nice. You're starting to see that in the automotive world. We're bringing that into the LHD world. Again, it's about keeping the operator as happy and comfortable as possible. That coupled with excellent performance, more tons per day, it's a win-win. Easily open grill, a couple of bolts here, and the fans will also swing open. Now you've got full access to pressure wash your radiator. Actually, all your full cooler stack, charge air, hydraulic cooler as well, transmission cooler. And now keeping that radiator clean will keep the machine cool. So it's not a weekly service. This is regular maintenance on underground LHDs. This is just something we've added to make easier for the operator they need to wash the rads anyways, why not make it slightly easier? So like I said, a couple of bolts. These fans will also swing open. Rad swings open easily, and there you are. Overheating, especially in climates with high altitudes and things like that, where you're on the edge of the cooling systems. I mean, these machines often operate at 4,500 meters above sea level. It's a lot more difficult to cool diesel engines up there. So it's, now not to say that's also not important below sea level as well, but it's an added benefit. So this machine is many years in the making, collecting voice of customer. Again, we've been doing the small narrow vane machines for many years now, and we've just been slowly building that idea bank for the larger machines. As I said, this is an 11-ton machine in a 10-ton class. And as we progress our way into larger machines, we're just collecting that data and really putting a lot of thought and effort into the machines. Really, this is where we spend a lot of time and effort, and the engineering team has done an excellent job with keeping as much maintenance as possible at ground level. Like I said, all of your circle checks are ground level for your daily, but as you see here, we've got fill points, fluid checkpoints, air filter, all easily accessible from ground level. We really want to limit as much as possible climbing on machines. We've got sight glasses. So everything's brought out remote. Like I said, we've got our filter here with a drip tray, and then when you do need to service the machine as well, nice 3-point contact with handrails to easily mount the machine. So already on this machine, we've got a lot of operator assists. We're automation ready. We've got payload calculating estimation system. We've got many features like that. So really automating the machines as much as possible. Long-term goal is remove the cabins, remove the operators. How do we get there? There's many steps, but that's our strategy is always to remain agnostic with third parties. So when we work with remote control suppliers or collision avoidance suppliers, we are the new guys to the block, I guess, in the underground space, and we want to work with what the mines already have. So we remain agnostic. However, in the future, you will see some of our own solutions for these problems. Now, we believe our solutions will be superior, but we will still remain agnostic. So if you're set with XYZ supplier, we'll continue to play nice with it. This being the first to market for the underground space, where we really started to bring in some Komatsu components. So the axles on this machine are actually Komatsu designed and manufactured axles, as well as all the hydraulic cylinders and accumulators. So we're really starting to bring a lot of that tech. We're leaders in the surface mining world, and we're really starting to bring that underground. They were designed specifically for underground, however, with the knowledge the bank of data, like the data bank of information from the circuit. When it comes to actual servicing, LHDs are very compact, so it is very difficult to place components. Generally, that's a general concept. However, we really spend a lot of extra effort and time to make sure when you are up on the hoods and you do lift the covers, you see everything's really spaced out and easy back.